Are you ready to take the 30-second challenge? I'm ready. If you're wondering what it is all about, then Clear GST offers you the fastest ever return filing feature for your NIL GSTR1 and GSTR3B. I will demonstrate in this video how to file NIL GST returns, both GSTR1 and GSTR3B, on Clear GST software. Hello and welcome. I'm Annapurna from Team Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. Team Clear serves more than 80,000 tax experts and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Welcome back to our channel, and if you happen to be new here, then I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have an exclusive gift, GST compliance calendar for you that will help you stay 100% compliant throughout the year without any stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the video description below. Before I can demonstrate the NIL GST return filing on Clear GST software, let me give you a quick overview of what's a NIL GST return if you're not familiar. But feel free to skip this part if you understand the term. GST return has to be filed by everyone having GST registration, irrespective of the business turnover or profitability in a month or quarter. Hence, even if you did not issue any sales invoice during a month or quarter, then as a taxpayer you must log into the GST portal and submit a NIL GSTR1. On the other hand, a NIL GSTR3B is filed when the person has neither made any outward supply nor received any inward supply. It results into a zero tax liability for that particular month or quarter. Note that GST return must be mandatorily filed every tax period, even if it's a NIL GST return. If a NIL return in GSTR1 or GSTR3B is not filed by the due date, then late fee of ₹20 per day following the day of default for every NIL GSTR1 and NIL GSTR3B becomes leviable until the return filing is complete. Hence, all taxpayers having GST registration must submit a NIL GSTR1 or 3B before the deadlines. The deadline is the same as any regular taxpayer. Monthly NIL GSTR1 and NIL GSTR3B are due by the 11th and 20th of next month, whereas quarterly NIL GSTR1 and GSTR3B are due by the 13th and either 22nd or 24th of the month following that particular quarter, depending upon the state or union territory for which GST registration is obtained. The NIL return filing feature is available for GSTR1 and GSTR3B filing with the Clear GST desktop app. It is a one-time download and setup for our users. Clear GST desktop app helps you with the complete filing of GSTR1 and GSTR3B without going to any other portal. Thus, you can save lots of time and effort, allowing you to operate at your convenience. The complete filing of GSTR1 and GSTR3B is in one place. It will save you from unnecessary navigation between software or any other portal, as everything is available on Clear GST software, including submission of returns. You can now file GSTR1 and GSTR3B with minimal manual intervention and directly on Clear GST, supported by Digital Signature Certificate or EVC as filing options. NIL return filing feature also allows our users having no sales or business during the particular period to submit their GST returns in minimal steps by avoiding any unnecessary interactions with the portal. The NIL return filing feature comes with important validations and also a cautionary window that will allow you to reconsider filing GST returns without data. Hence, it will stop users from erroneously submitting a NIL return which otherwise was not one. Click on Login on the GST landing page. Thereafter, enter the email ID of the account for which you want to file a NIL GST return. Enter the password. Click on Login button. Once you log in to the Clear GST product, on the homepage or the dashboard, you will find File GST Returns tile. Click on this. Thereafter, click on Nil Returns tile. Next, you will have to select the particular GSTIN or the business for which you want to file nil GST returns. You can have more than one GSTINs or businesses listed down here. You will have to just add new business each time and then proceed with the nil return filing. Here I am selecting one GSTIN. Also, make sure to select the proper return period from the drop-down list here. I am making the selection of the month or quarter, the return period for which I want to file a nil GST return. After making the selection, click on Proceed. On your screen, you will get two options: GSTR1 nil return, GSTR3B nil return. And along with these two options, you will also find instructions given here. At every stage of filing on Clear GST, you will find these instructions displayed. This will help you to file a proper return without any errors or confusion. Now, in this case, I want to file GSTR1 nil return. Click on this button. In the next screen, you will be asked to either open the GST desktop app if it is already downloaded and installed on your computer system. However, if GST desktop app is not installed, it will ask you to also download and install before you can file a nil return. This is a one-time setup. In my case, I've already installed ClearTax desktop app. Hence, I'm just going to click on this button, Open ClearTax desktop app. Within few seconds, you will see that ClearTax desktop app opens, and here the return period is already pre-selected as October 2021, and you will also find that this checkbox is selected, which is nothing but to file a nil return for the particular return period. Now I will have to select either file with DSC, that is digital signature certificate, or file with EVC for one-time password. Now, between these two options, I will select one of them and then proceed to file the nil return. Upon clicking one of the options to file, enter your GSTN or government portal login credentials and click on Continue button. This will take you to the GST portal login page. Enter the CAPTCHA there and click on Login to proceed. ClearTax will automatically upload your nil GSTR1 details on the government portal in a matter of seconds. Just click on the Continue to Submit button to file your nil GSTR1 return. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Then click on Verify to proceed. Your GSTR1 nil return is now successfully filed on the GST portal. After successful filing, Clear GST will display the ARN application reference number provided by the government portal in the desktop app for your reference. Are you finding the demo useful? Then let us know in the comment section below and feel free to ask your GST compliance queries. We'll take them up for you. Now let's proceed to check out how to file a nil GSTR3B on Clear GST software. On the home page of Clear GST software, click on File GST Returns tile. Thereafter, you have to click on Nil Returns tile. Select the particular GSTIN for which you want to file a nil GSTR3B return. Similarly, you can add new businesses as well. I'm selecting the particular GSTIN. Thereafter, select the return period, the particular month or quarter for which you want to file a nil GSTR 3B return. Click on Proceed. Now you get two options, GSTR 1 nil return, GSTR 3B nil return. This time I'm clicking on GSTR 3B nil return. Just like how I showed GSTR 1 nil return filing, now also you will get a message asking you to open ClearTax desktop app. Click on this. Now, if you want to take a video tutorial, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can just get started. Here, as you see, you can preview the GSTR 3B nil return. Before, you can proceed to either file GSTR 3B return with EVC or file with a digital signature certificate, that is DSC. Enter your GSTN login credentials and click on Continue. This will take you to the GST portal login. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on Login to proceed. ClearGST will automatically upload your nil GSTR 3B details on the GST portal in a matter of seconds. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Click on Verify to file your GSTR 3B nil return. Your GSTR 3B nil return will now be successfully filed on the government's GST portal. After successful filing, ClearGST will display the ARN or application reference number as provided by the government portal in the desktop app for your reference. So friends, now that you know how to easily file a nil GST return, make sure to save this video. ClearGST software helps you not only with accurate and faster return filing ranging from GSTR 1, CMP08 to GSTR 9 and 9C, but also reconciles and matches huge amount of invoice data across tax periods between books and returns with the click of a button. Check out the link to ClearGST software in the description of this video to explore now. Also, if you find the video useful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to fill the form provided in the video description to win your free gift. Thank you.